stood as a symbol of craftsmanship, patience, and quiet luxury. Time with an abandonment slowly stripped of its former elegance. What remains is not just a damaged structure, but a record of history waiting to be understood, preserved, and restored. This restoration journey reimagines how such a mansion could be brought back to life, room by room, using historically inspired techniques and careful attention to detail. Before restoration begins, every room tells a story of decay. Cracked walls, collapsed details, and years of neglect reveal the true condition of the structure. These things represent the challenges faced before any careful restoration can take place. This grand wing hall was designed to impress from the moment one entered the room. High ceilings, decorative moldings, and large windows once filled the space with light and warmth. Years of neglect caused the structural damage, cracked plaster, and weak woodwork. Restoration begins by stabilizing the structure, repairing surface, and carefully reviving the original architectural character, allowing the room once to feel open, balanced, and welcoming. The master bedroom was intended as a private retreat, calm, refined, and quite luxurious. Damage to floors, walls, and furnishing slowly erased that atmosphere. The restoration emphasizes softness and balance. Repaired floorings, restored windows, and carefully chosen textiles recreate a sense of comfort while respecting the room's historical identity. Guest bedrooms were designed to reflect hospitality. Though simpler in design, they require the same attention to structure, light, and proportion. Through careful restoration, these rooms regain their purpose, offering warmth, symmetry, and understandable elegance. Victorian bathrooms balance practical with decorative details. Over time, moisture causes extensive damage to surfaces and fixtures. Restoration brings back elegance to period inspired materials. Repair tileworks and balance lighting. Blending punches with refined design. The kitchen was the working heart of the mansion. Built for durability, restoring this space means reinforcing structure, repairing stone and wood surfaces, and honoring its original purpose, a place of activity, craft, and daily life. The staircase connected every part of the house, both physically and symbolically. Its restoration requires precision, stabilizing steps, repairing railings, and restoring vertical balance. Once completed, it becomes a central visual anchor, guiding movement through the mansion. The dining hall was a place of gathering, conversation, and ceremony. Long tables, elegant lighting, and symmetrical design reflected the social importance of shared meals. Restoring this space focused on preserving proportions, repairing ceiling details, and returning warmth through wood light and texture, without losing quality that defined the room. The library was one of the most intimate spaces in this mansion, lined with wood, filled with books, and shaped with quiet light. It represented the knowledge and intellectual. Restoring this room focuses on craftsmanship, rebuilding shelves, refining wood surface, and restoring natural light to create a space meant for thoughts and focus. Restoration is not about perfection, it is about respect. Respect for craftsmanship, for proportion, and for the passage of time. Careful reconstruction and thoughtful design, this mansion is reimagined not as something new, but as something renewable. A quiet return of elegance, shaped by history and restored dignity itself.